Mustard Credit Repair Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Mustard Credit Repair. All relevant product links are included in the description below. Mustard Credit Repair is a cloud-based CRM and dispute automation platform built specifically for credit repair professionals and agencies, aiming to streamline client management, credit bureau disputes, and business operations in one centralized system. Designed with scalability in mind, it caters to both small credit repair startups and larger firms managing high client volumes. The platform's core features include automated credit report import, multi-round dispute letter generation, client onboarding flows, real-time progress tracking, and white-label branding. Users can easily pull reports via integration with credit monitoring services like Identity IQ, and the system automatically identifies negative items for dispute. Mustard Credit Repair also supports client communication via built-in email and SMS, affiliate tracking, and billing system integration, making it a comprehensive end-to-end business solution. A major strength of the platform is its user-friendly interface, which balances functionality with ease of use, ideal for both beginners and experienced pros. The automation tools significantly reduce manual work, allowing businesses to scale more efficiently. The white labeling options also help maintain a professional appearance, especially when offering client portals and reports. On the downside, because it's a newer platform in the credit repair space, there may be limited community resources or third-party tutorials available compared to more established software. Additionally, while the interface is intuitive, customization options for dispute workflows and templates are somewhat limited unless you upgrade to a higher tier plan. And as with most cloud-based solutions, you'll need a stable internet connection to access your data. That said, Mustard Credit Repair delivers a modern, well-rounded solution for credit repair businesses that want automation, professionalism, and growth tools all in one place. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to manage disputes, clients, and business processes without needing multiple tools, Mustard Credit Repair is a strong contender. Check the links in the description below for current pricing, demos, and setup guides.